today, the day and age of the internet, everybody thinks they know everything. They maybe have never even purchased a home before, but because they read a blog, they are now absolutely experts in doing this. And people like you and I that have assisted hundreds and maybe thousands of home buyers successfully go through the zigzag and the labyrinth of the home buying process. Ashley, when someone calls in, a buyer calls in and they say, I don't need a mortgage approval yet because I'm just looking.
I'm sorry. That's like saying, you know what? I'll meet you at the altar. We don't need to date.
Yes. Oh,
right?
I knew you'd have something cool to say.
But it's so true. So here's the thing. I get it. We get calls at a Saturday at 2 o'clock. We might be, hanging out on the beach doing stuff with our family and say, I found a house yesterday. I found a house 5 minutes ago. I need a pre-approval. Or, I'll call you when I find the house. No. A pre-approval and home buying conversations with your realtor and your mortgage person is like your driver's ed school. We need to prepare you. You need to be educated. You need to do all the legwork up front so that when you spend your weekends and your valuable time looking for houses, you're ready to rock and roll. We can't do it backwards, folks. It's going to cause issues, and we do not like surprises.
There's something that the consumers don't know, and it's that the credit report that you pull is different than the one they see on Credit Karma.
Oh, dear Lord. If I hear Credit Karma one more time. Okay. So here's the deal, guys. It is like a high five or a thumbs down. Credit Karma is going to say, hey, you know what? You spent too much money shopping this weekend. Fail. Or, you know what? You did a good job paying your bills. Let me give you a high five. It is not accurate. I think it's a great guide to use if you're worried about someone stealing your wallet or, hey, what is this account? It's not mine. But do not use that as validation for, yes, I have a high enough score to buy a house.
Right now, okay? Going into 2020, okay? If you are a professional pretty much in any field, okay, but specifically real estate right here, and you're not leveraging technology for your customers' benefit, you are going to fade away. You need to be able to really assist your clients and respect their time as well.
Correct.
And give them the tools. Like my clients, when they want to go see a house, guess what they do? They either contact my assistant right away, or if they want to do it virtually, they go to my calendar and they select a time that works for them. Boom, it's automatically booked.
It's the ease of the tools that's going to help things.
That's it.
But it's not going to replace the actual experience and, the professionalism that you're get when working one-on-one with someone. So it's a combination.
It's almost like these mortgage programs where boom, instant pre-approval.
Oh God, yeah.
Listen,
okay.
If you believe that, okay, and if you don't think that you're going to be working with a human after they collect all of your information, you're crazy. The only difference is you're working with a human out of like Michigan or California that doesn't know the market, doesn't care about you because you are nothing but a number.
You're not accessible at 9 o'clock at night when you might be sitting here worrying about, oh my God, what should I do? Should I do this? Is it going to impact my loan? No, you still need us.